Good morning, everyone. I am in my greenhouse this morning, and I'm about to plant something special. In my pantry at the house, I found this burlap bag, and I forgot actually about it, and it was actually buried under some bags in my pantry. But anyway, when I looked inside, look what I found. In sweet potato. That's probably about 6 months old, but it's rooted. Look at that, you guys. It's kind of dried out a little bit, but it has a root on it. So I'm going to plant it into the dirt, okay? And I actually have more roots. So the root was actually coming out of the bag. And I was like, what is that? Because I thought the bag was really empty, but anyway, these kind of things do happen, okay? Anyway, but I'm excited because it's actually a root. And a couple of roots, actually. So I'm going to grow some sweet potatoes. Yes, I am, you guys. So Rob was like, you know what? Just go back there and plant these. So I'm going to plant these babies and water them. And mama gonna have some sweet potatoes. Now this one didn't make it. See, it's all hard and all dried out. But Roz said, yeah, you need to plant that one too. So anyway, but I just wanted to share that with you. It grew in this burlap bag. And I guess it's a way of growing a surprise garden, right? So I don't think I'm gonna put this one in there, but he was like, you should. But I think I'll do that one separately. Something else just in case. But anyway, look at the root. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's still moist and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to get the planting, y'all. You guys stay tuned.